Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the best prompts for Claude AI. First, be direct. Clearly state what you want Claude to do, rather than what you don't want. Provide details. The more information you give Claude, the better it can understand your needs like relevant context, background, and specific things. Break down complex tasks. For intricate requests, divide them into smaller, manageable steps. This is often referred to as chain of thought. Use XML tags. Claude is fine-tuned to pay special attention to XML tags as you can use separate instructions, context, and examples. Specify desired format. Explicitly ask for the output format you want. For example, respond in JSON format. Use bullet points. Write a report with the following section: executive summary, market overview. Assign a role. Tell Claude to adopt a specific persona or role. For example, act as a marketing expert. You are a creative writer. You are a helpful coding assistant.